Hello YouTubers, and welcome back to the DealsPrime.com review channel. This is a part 2 review, and it's for the Pipo W4. Now this is an 8-inch IPS screen type of PC with an Intel Bay Trail CPU. It's running on Windows 8.1. This is part 2. Again, we're just going to be showing you the user interface, which is, again, it's Windows. Just kind of go through some of the settings. Then we'll do some web browsing. Make sure to check out part 1. We did an unboxing. We showed you the build of the unit, the ports, all that good stuff, the accessories, the free YouTube promo gift, and we also showed you how to get the free YouTube promo gift. So and we told you how to get that as well. So you actually do need to watch part 1 to know how to get the free YouTube promo gift. It's a nice $10 value. Before we continue, I just want to remind you guys to like our video. Also, subscribe to the DealsPrime.com review channel. With that, let's just show this Pipo W4 in action. And just real quick, we'll just go through some of the things that we showed you in part 1. So you can pause your screen here. The specs are here, so you can just pause your screen on this. We'll zoom in, and then you can pause your screen. So again, 8-inch 1280 by 800 pixel resolution screen, Intel Z3735G, and it clocks up to 1.8 gigahertz. And we'll end the review with some web browsing. And this RAM has 1 gigabyte RAM. So you can see it's just really this simple. I mean, basically the standard. Windows 8.1. You have time and language here. This supports multi-language. Swipe to the edge and go back to left. I don't like this. Like, this is it's one of the things is like we usually do reviews for Android devices. So here you can see there's all these different countries, and so you can have your own localized language. So this does support many languages. Okay, so your country is definitely in there. It works. So we are connected to Wi-Fi. Just I don't know why this keeps on popping up. I don't like it at all, though. If somebody knows how to remove that arrow, just you can leave us a nice little note inside of the YouTube video description. And see, we have a camera here, so we'll take a picture of the camera using the camera. Allow, swipe it from the edge, and okay, so it's trying to tell us how to use this window there, the touch button or whatever. I'm glad we figured that out. Wasn't too intuitive, but I'll just look for the camera now. As you can focus, tap the screen to focus. Okay, so looks like it's definitely a 5 megapixel camera. So we'll actually go into do some web browsing. We'll actually go to DealsPrime.com and just check that out. So go to Deals Prime. And just make sure that you can look inside of your YouTube video description. There should be a link to the Deals Prime listing. Now, if it doesn't link into Deals Prime, just type in dealsprime.com and then do a search for Pipo W4, and that should pop up. So we have a P4 and a double W4 here. So this is actually a really cheap Windows tablet. I think we have it listed at $117.99. And then we also have a 3% off discount coupon. So one thing I don't really like too much about so used to just tapping once for Windows, I mean for Android. There we go. Okay, and we can see here that we have it listed here. So there's a W2, and it has 2 GB RAM. It has more memory, and the W4, as you can see, it's only $117.99. And so 2 megapixel camera, so that's definitely it's a nice quality on that camera. I thought it was higher. 0.3 megapixel camera on the front. And we'll just here's some of the products that you can bundle this tablet with. Leather case, keyboard case, and this does have built-in GPS and AGPS. One second, please. That's another good thing about us is that we do have online chat, and you can actually ask any questions about this before you order. So I just wanted to check out the unit just to see if there is a 3G module to. So it doesn't look like there's a place to add 3G. Sorry, GPS. No, 3G. So looks like it says here it's built-in. It has optional 3G WCDMA. So maybe by the time that you see this video, click on the link inside the video description, and hopefully there's an option for 3G WCDMA. Okay, guys. Well, this looks like we'll go to a couple other sites as well. So we'll just open up a couple more windows. Okay, so definitely not nice fast 1.8 gigahertz CPU on this, which is great. It's one of the things I do really like the Intel CPUs. A lot of the Chinese CPUs okay, so yeah, some of the Chinese CPUs, they're rated high, but they don't actually perform really well. So it's good to see that that this does perform well. And we'll just go to one more site, and then we'll wrap up this review. Again, I want to remind you guys to check out part 1. Again, we do have a free YouTube promo gift, and here we'll show you the wide viewing angle. So IPS screens, they basically have a 1.7 gigahertz, sorry, 178 degree viewing angle. So that means that they're anti-glare, so you can view them under the sun, and also you can see the letters when the tablet is standing up from all different angles. Okay, guys, well this just about wraps up this review. I want to remind you guys to like our video. Also subscribe to the dealsprime.com review channel. We get the Pipo tablets in first, a lot of other Windows tablets as well. And make sure that the link inside your YouTube video description is linking to Deals Prime. If not, then type in Deals Prime and then do a search for W4, Pipo W4. And remember to ask for the free YouTube promo gift, and you can watch part 1, which is also embedded inside the description. on dealsprime.com, and then we tell you how to get that. Okay guys, thanks for watching.